Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed couples, and cherished partners, today, I stand before you to celebrate the extraordinary journey of love, commitment, and companionship that you have embarked upon as husband and wife. The bond you share is not just a union of two individuals, but a testament to the power of unity, understanding, and unwavering support. In the realm of relationships, the partnership between a husband and wife holds a special place. It is a canvas upon which you both paint your dreams, your hopes, and your shared aspirations. Just like any masterpiece, it requires dedication, effort, and a deep understanding of each other's colors, strokes, and intricacies. Through life's highs and lows, your relationship has weathered storms and basked in the warmth of sunny days. The foundation you've built together is not just about love, it's about respect, communication, and the willingness to walk hand in hand, even when the path ahead seems uncertain. Remember, a strong relationship is like a thriving garden. It requires constant nurturing, attention, and a willingness to pull out the weeds of misunderstanding before they overshadow the beautiful blossoms of love that you've cultivated. The seeds you plant today will grow into the memories you cherish tomorrow. Communication, as they say, is the heartbeat of any successful relationship. Take the time to listen to each other's thoughts, fears, and dreams. Celebrate your victories together, and offer a comforting shoulder during moments of disappointment. Your words hold the power to heal wounds, bridge gaps, and build bridges to the heart. Respect is the cornerstone of any lasting bond. Recognize that you are both unique individuals with your own strengths and weaknesses. Embrace each other's quirks and imperfections, for it's these very qualities that make your journey together so beautifully authentic. Never underestimate the strength that lies within forgiveness. We are all human and, at times, mistakes will be made. But it's the ability to forgive and move forward that truly showcases the resilience of your relationship. Remember that forgiving doesn't mean forgetting, but it does mean giving your love a chance to rebuild and grow stronger. As you stand side by side, remember that growth is essential. Encourage each other to chase your dreams, to seek new experiences, and to evolve individually as well as together. A successful partnership is one where both partners inspire each other to become the best versions of themselves. And let us not forget the power of laughter. In the midst of life's challenges, never lose sight of the joy that comes from sharing a genuine laugh, a knowing smile, or a light-hearted moment. Laughter reminds us that even in the face of adversity, your love remains a source of boundless happiness. Dear couples, as you continue to journey through life's chapters hand in hand, let the flames of your love burn brightly. May your relationship be an inspiration to those around you, a beacon of hope in a world that often yearns for genuine connections. In the end, a strong and thriving relationship is not an endpoint but a beautiful ongoing process. It's the promise you make each day to choose love, to choose understanding, and to choose each other. Embrace this journey with open hearts, for the best chapters of your story are yet to be written. Thank you.